Your phone call has faded away. Long after your warm hello has dimmed, I can't forget the memories that you sent my way. Those hallmark memories of yesterday. Remember my birthday when you were away. Your happy return on Christmas Day. That Valentine you wept but could not run away. Sweet hallmark memories of yesterday. Words that you sent me, so simple yet so true. Dearest, sincerely, I'll never share my life with someone new. Long after your phone call has faded away. Long after your warm hello has dimmed, I can't forget the memories that you sent my way. Those hallmark memories of yesterday. For no one throws a hallmark card away, 'cause no one throws away memories.
Ray, happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! More blessings, more power, more birthday to come. I love you!
Sir, happy birthday. Sana humaba pa kayong buhay. Pasensya ka na kung hindi kami makakating dahil wala akong driver. Sana masaya ka.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ray. Welcome sa isang panibagong citizenship. Sana maging maligaya ka sa iyong birthday at sana magkaroon ka pa ng malakas sa katawan at mahabang buhay. Happy birthday! Ingat!
Kuya Ray. Wish ko sa iyo, Kuya Ray, sa 60th birthday mo. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, blessing, and good health. We love you so much, Kuya. Happy birthday.
Kuya Ray, happy birthday! Ay, magpapalakas lagi. Mag-iingat lagi. Salamat sa mga tulong ninyo mag-asawa, ng pamilya. Salamat. Happy birthday. Have a long life and a healthy body. Sana lagi malakas tayo. God bless. God bless. Love you.
Birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tito Ray. Good health, more power, and always pray.
Happy birthday, Kuya. We love you, Mama.
Happy birthday po, Tito Ray. I wish you have your happiest day on your birthday.
Happy birthday, Ray. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo darating.
We love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, Ray. Sana pagpalain ka ng mahal na Panginoong Hesus at sumapit pa uli ang iyong maraming birthday at ikaw ay lagi ng masaya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ray! God bless you! Happy 60th birthday!
Pare Ray, happy birthday! God bless, love you! Sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Iligtas ka sa lahat ng anumang karamdaman at turo sa indahan ng kaligtasan. Love you, pare. Happy birthday!
Happy
Happy birthday, Ninong Ray! Ninong, thank you so much for not only being a generous person, but also being one of the sincerest persons that we know. And thank you so much for being a father figure to the family. We love you so much. Happy 60th birthday, and God bless.
We love you, Ninong. God bless.
God bless, Bo.
Hi, Ninong. Happy birthday. I wanted to say thank you for all the times that I've been there and you've taken care of me and you've taken care of Kuya, Ate, Layla. My dad and my mom driving us around, taking us everywhere, getting us food and all that. And though that might not seem like a lot to other people, those are very huge actions for me. I understand how much you, especially when we were there, how much you were taking care of Kuya Pandoy's house, and you still managed to take care of us. And even when you're here in the United States, you're still doing a lot for us as the family, and I can't express how much I appreciate that. I never really said this before, but I tell this to Ia all the time, that I draw a lot of inspiration to how to be a man and how to be one that's loving, kind, generous. I draw a lot of my inspiration from you and my dad. And so, again, I thank you for being a great example. I love every moment we get to talk about boxing. Aside from Ia, you're the only person that really, I really enjoy speaking about it. And so, I thank you po. My Tagalog is getting a little better. I'm trying. I'm definitely trying. Pero mag-aaral po ako mag-Tagalog para mag-uusap po tayo palagi. So again, thank you. Miss na po kayo. Oh my gosh. But yeah, thank you so much, Ninong. I miss you. I love you. I can't wait to hang out with you again, and hopefully, sometime way sooner than later. And I'm excited for you to come out here again, and I'm excited to see you again. Ingat po, Ninong. Mahal kita. Take care.
Happy birthday po, Daddy Ray.
Happy 60th birthday, Daddy Ray. Sana po you have more healthy birthdays to come.
Okay. Yan. Si Oscar yun. Kuya, happy birthday. O, kahit may sakit ang anak ko, tumayo na lang para lang mabati ka. Sana maging mas malusog ka pa. Huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. And more healthy years for you. And sana ay lagi kang ganyan, makulit. Palatawa at mahilig magpatawa. Okay? We're blessed kasi mahal na mahal mo si Ate Vin, ang aming kapatid. No, kaya parang kapatid na kapatid ka na rin namin. Thank you so much and happy birthday. Enjoy your party.
Happy birthday, Wowo. We love you. Baby, clap your hands.
Happy birthday po, Dad. Sobrang blessed po ako na nagkaroon pa po ako ng isang tatay na mapagmahal at sobrang maalaga. Happy birthday po, Dad.
Happy birthday, D. Thank you sa pagiging maalaga po sa amin. Pag makailangan ako or anything na kailangan ko pa. Kahit binata na ako, may asawa na, alagang-alaga mo pa din po kami. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad. Love you po.
Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday po.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Miss Ben.
Thank you, Daddy, sa pag-aalaga mo po sa amin, sa pagmamahal mo sa amin, at sa pagmamahal niyo po ni Mami sa mga babies namin. Thank you po kasi hindi niyo kami pinababayaan, lalo po ngayon na kailangan ko po ng help niyo dahil wala po si Caleb. Thank you, Daddy, sa inyo ni Mami. I love you so much and enjoy your dual citizenship.
Enjoy your cake.
Enjoy your cake. I love you, Daddy. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Dad! Palagi ko pong pinagpapasalamat kay God na ikaw yung binigay niya sa akin na Dad because I wouldn't have it any other way. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pagmamahal, sa lahat ng pag-aalaga at na binibigay niyo sa aming magkakapatid, kay Mommy, sa lahat ng mga apo. Miss na miss po kita palagi and gusto na po kitang yakapin ulit. But since I can't for now, ang prayer ko po sana mas maging malakas ka, mas maging healthy, So, please, alagaan mo po yung sarili mo. Huwag ka masyadong kumain ng kanin and mas maraming gulay. I miss you so much, Dad. And I can't wait to hug you again soon. I love you. And happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, I love you so much.